shithead. Smart kid. Did you see that, Becca? Unbelievable. You little knucklehead. That's not how it's supposed to go. Let's move you over here to see if you can do that again. I thought I'd get them on tape showing you that they work. I didn't realize I'd get it on tape showing you that he figured it out. Alright, I love you. Bye. Wait, here he goes. Let's see how smart he is. And you gotta be kidding me. He just started trying. Oh my god. Alright, I love you. Bye.